got time to mount the tires and do suspension stuff and hopefully do the suspension stuff. I still don't know if this stuff's gonna fit, but we're gonna go for it. We're gonna give it a try. You know that saying, you don't know until you try. So I'm gonna try, and then we'll know. Maybe we won't. I think we will though. So anyways. Okay. I sense a lot of lost range with these already.
Keep in mind nobody makes a kit for this truck yet, so I measured everything out as best I could and ordered what I thought would suit it best.
You know what I said in my first video I made before we even got it? Take this thing lower to touch with some wheels will make for a very cool looking truck. Lower to touch with some wheels will make for a very cool looking truck. Well folks, I've gone and done it. Ever since I heard they were coming out with the Lightning, I was pumped. And then I saw what it was, I was not pumped. Then I thought about all these things that they were saying it came with. Independent rear suspension, 50-50 weight distribution, very low center of gravity. And I thought, this thing could be a sport truck. It just needs the look. It already has way better handling and power distribution and power, period, than any of the previous sports trucks that Ford has made. So why couldn't it? Excuse me. This thing lowered down a bit, a nice wheel and tire combo, that's all you need. Everything else, it already has. I've already lowered it a bit. I have some things to work out in the back to get it down a bit lower. These trucks are totally different. They're something like I've never worked on a truck that's set up like this before. I don't think many people have, and I haven't seen a lowered one yet. So as far as I know, this is the first lowered F-150 Lightning. Now, I'm gonna get a lot of, oh, it's not low, blah, 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 blah. Guys, I'm not done. This is the first go at it, and unfortunately, it usually takes more than one try to get something exactly how you want it as the final finished product kind of thing. I'm going to try some other things this week. Hopefully by the weekend, I'll have it down a little bit lower in the back. I'm hoping to get another couple inches out of the back, but you gotta be mindful that now it's got independent suspension. So the lower you bring this truck down, it's not like a solid axle where it stays the same. You're actually losing a lot of ground clearance because the motor is coming down with it. And if you whack that motor off of something, there's probably not parts to replace them. You also have to account for like things like alignment. Will it have enough adjustment in the control arm setup and the suspension setup as it is? Will you be able to get the wheels straight? Because the control arm design is very basic, but it's different. So there's not much adjustment there. You can only go so far, and then what you get is what you get. Here's some clips of the truck rolling. I finished it last Wednesday night. Yeah, I finished it last Wednesday night. I cleaned it up, I put the wheels on. They are 24 by 10, 305, 35, 24. The truck looks really good. The front is down about 2.5 inches and the rear is down about 3. It still has a long way to go because these trucks are like super raked forward from the factory. I believe that's for the clearance of the motor and the skid plate. If you're towing, you know, it'll sit level, which we don't plan to haul huge trailers because you can't really go far anyway. I just want to put this out there, give you guys an idea of the direction I'm going with this truck. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a lot on this thing. I'm just getting started. Anyways, here's some clips of the truck. I don't want to bore you guys too much. I hope you enjoy the video. So we got some stuff coming in hot. It is on the vehicle for delivery. We got some tires today?
Yeah.
Awesome.
We only got 2, no, 3, 4.
Oh my God, I thought you were gonna. Awesome. Is there a box too, or just those?
Oh, just those.
Okay.
I think you had the box yesterday.
I know, I'm waiting for one more.
Are you waiting for one more?
One more box, yeah. Yeah, this one's hand delivered. Beautiful.
So here you'll notice I'm like backing into a spot on the street beside this old Beetle, and there's another classic car there. We had a car show that was like local to us, and they blocked off Main Street for the night. So I parked this truck, and I'll attach some pictures. There was a crowd around this thing all night long. I could not believe the attention it got. I believe it's just because it's one of the first electric F-150s in the area. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll catch you next time.